This is something that has brought me from this to this. I am not telling you what I did not do. This, don't use any cleanser, don't use any toner, don't use any serum, don't use anything. For 3 years, I suffered with severe acne. Okay, when I tell you severe acne, I mean very severe acne, that I wake up every morning with boils, with new big pimples, and in the next 1 day or 2 days, they are filled with pores on my face. It was a very terrible time in my life. I can't walk on the street without 2 or 3 people stopping me and wanting to recommend a particular product for me. And I tell you that I used a lot of things. I used a lot of DIY. I went to different spas for facial treatment. I met different dermatologists. A lot of products were prescribed for me, but none of these things worked. None of them seemed to work. And for 3 years, I wallowed in this depressing situation until I came across someone that gave me specific advices that helped me internally and externally to clear up my face permanently. Now, in this video, I am going to be telling you how to clear your acne, no matter how severe it is. If you have used products and they didn't work for you, these 10 tips are going to work for you. I'm not telling you this by magic, but you need to actually watch this video from beginning to ending and listen to me carefully. Apply these things carefully for this thing to work for you. Now, I am not going to be prescribing products to you, because when you use products to clear acne, to clear pimples, these things go and come, because there are habits you are going to do, there are things you are going to do, and they are going to come back, and you are going to be living on prescriptions. But the best way to treat acne is to understand your system, is to know the things to do and the things not to do, and it is going to be a permanent treatment. I can tell you for free that anytime I see a pimple on my face, I know what I did wrong, and in less than a day or 2, it is gone, because I know what to do to make it go out from my face. That is what I want to plug you into in today's video. So this is a very serious video. We are going to be talking about a lot of things in-depthly. So no matter how long this video is, I implore you to have patience and watch this video and get everything I want to tell you. So the first step I want you to take this minute after watching this video, it might seem radical. A lot of things I'm going to tell you, they might seem radical, okay, but you need to do it if you really want to clear your face. So the first thing I need you to do is to stop every product you are using right now. Once they are not working, you have used this thing for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, and the pimples, acne is still increasing. It's not working. It's clearly not working. Stop it and don't buy another one. Okay, now what happens is, when you are in this condition, you are going to be in spirals. You are going to be buying that product, buying this, buying that, and when you are going in this spiral, you are worsening the problem. Because in this, as you are buying product that is irritating your skin, you are buying product that is drying your skin. Some people will tell you, oh, you have so much oil on your face, that is why you're having pimple, and then you go and be buying clarifying products. Meanwhile, maybe that's not what your face needs. And then some people will tell you, you need toner, go and buy. I used a whole lot of toners, I used cleansers. That is why now, when I want to, I know a lot of product, because I used a lot of products and they didn't work for me. So I need you to stop that product you are using right now. Stop it. Since it's clearly not working, stop it. That's the first step. And then the second step is for you to start again, but limit what you are using on your face. Use only necessary products. Use only necessary products. Now, what are the necessary products? Your facial cleanser. Okay, your facial cleanser. Use your facial cleanser and use your face moisturizer. These 2 things. Then if you have any tube you are using, like maybe anti-pimple, anti-acne products you are using that you apply in the night, okay, stick to these 3. Don't use any cleanser, don't use any toner, don't use any serum, don't use anything. Stick to these 3 products. I am telling you this thing from experience. Stick to, because these are the 3 products your skin needs on a normal day. Every other thing na ferere, every other thing na flex. Do you get? I'm telling you the honest truth. Every other thing in skincare na flex. Okay, moisturizer cleanser, and a tube that is specifically targeted for acne. That is if you have one. Okay, these are the 3 products I need you to be using. That is the step 2. Now, step 3 is for you to stop any form of makeup. Now, this one is going to be very, 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 very difficult, because I know you have to go to your office, you have to go to work, you need to look presentable, you can't appear with spots on your face and all of that. But babe, guy, you need to stop applying all those things to your face, all those chemicals to your face, because you are doing your face more harm than good. Because what those things are going to do is, no matter how expensive those products are, they are clogging your pores. Do you get? They are plastering your face. Needs air, it needs a breath of fresh air, it needs health, it needs to breathe at this point. So what you are doing is you are closing it. And let's say you go to work 9 to 5. Now you're not applying makeup by 9. You should be applying your makeup by after 7 to 8. You should have started making up. Now you are going to have that makeup on from 8 in the morning till, like, if you're in Nigeria, you should be returning home by, let's say, 8, 9, depending where your office is. Now, a better part of your life, your face is being covered on makeup. Tell me, how is your face supposed to survive that? Your face needs to breathe. So stop every form of makeup. I am not telling you what I did not do. This was very difficult for me to do because I had to go out. But you just have to brave up. When you go out, people talk, just tell them, yeah, I'm healing my face, I am in the process, I don't want to use any makeup. Just take that. Okay, it is going to pay out on the long run. If you keep wearing makeup to cover it up, you are going to be worsening your situation. Take it or leave it. So the 4th step you need to take is always clean your face. Always clean your face. Okay? What do I mean by always clean your face? You need to wash your face in the morning, wash your face at night. You think that is it? That is not it. You need to go and buy a pack of handkerchief. Buy a pack of handkerchief. Do you get? But make sure you buy 1 pack, because don't buy 1 pair, because if you buy 1 pair, you are going to be using that 1 pair. Maybe one time you are going to forget to wash it and you go and carry it, and you are reintroducing germs on your face. Because the reason why you are having all those plenty acne, those things contains germs. Okay, and it is spreading on your face. That is why it is everywhere, because when this one opens, the water is going to drop on the clean skin and it is going to contaminate it, and it's going to keep spreading. So now you need 1 full pack of handkerchief. All right, so you will never run out. Now, never drop your handkerchief anywhere you are. Okay, anywhere you are. When I was doing this thing, I was very, very conscious. This is one advice someone gave me that, like, it is worth a lot of money, because it really helped me. Clean your face. That is why I told you to stop every form of makeup, even white powder. As I'm talking to you, since I treated my acne, to this very moment I am talking to you, I don't have any powder on my face, because I am very, very, very careful on what I apply on my face. I don't apply white powder, brown powder. Maybe I will apply sometime when I have special occasions, but till this very date I have not, and I do not apply any form of powder on my face. And I have learned to live natural like that. Okay, so now you need to clean your face every minute. Anytime you feel sweat on your face, clean it. Anytime you feel sweat on your face, clean it. Keep cleaning. Okay, that's why, let's say you're someone going to work, you need to have like 2 fresh handkerchiefs inside your bag, or even 3, depending on how your face sweat out. So you keep cleaning. You keep cleaning. As you are cleaning, all those debts on your face, all those oils being produced on your face, this is what the makeup is going to be closing, and it's just going to be getting stuck on your face. So you keep cleaning your face. As you are cleaning your face, over time you are going to be noticing that the rate at which the pores are coming out is reducing. The rate at which the pimples, the acne is coming out, it is reducing. Okay, so make this a habit. Anywhere you are cooking, you are sleeping, you are watching movie, you are taking a stroll, always have a handkerchief in your pocket. Anytime, pull it out and clean your face. Anytime you see a little dust blow close to where you are, clean your face. clean your face. This is one of the most important advices I am going to give you in this video. Okay, so the fifth one actually has with what is entering your tummy. I need you to stop every form of milk and chocolate for 3 months. Can you do it? If you can do it, every form of milk and chocolate, anything that contains milk, that contains chocolate, stay away from it for 3 months. Okay, 3 months. Stay away from it. Don't take tea, don't take sweets, don't take ice cream. Anything that contains milk, that is made from milk, stay away from it, because these things are going to go into your system, increase cortisol level, increase your cholesterol level, increase your oil level production in your body, and everything is going to come to your face. So for 3 months, reduce. See, only this one, go. You see, only this one, and cleaning your face. If you do it, if you are consistent with it, you are going to see great improvement. And then the sixth on my list is also reduce sugar. If you can eliminate it totally, then you should. But if you cannot, drop your sugar intake. For me, I am a lover of sweet things. I am so sweet tooth. I couldn't leave sugar totally, but I dropped my sugar intake. Okay, so drop your sugar intake, because when sugar gets into your body, it turns to fat, and that is what we do not want. So drop your sugar intake, drop it, and stop totally taking milk and chocolate. I hope I made it clear. Stop it totally for 3 months. Stop it. Okay, then number 7 on our list is to wash your face with enough water. Okay, I don't know the type of cleanser you are using, but no matter the type, any type of cleanser you are using, wash your face. Sometimes if you are someone that goes out and comes back in the afternoon, let's say you are not a regular 9 to 5 work person, and then you just go out of your house and come in, go and wash your face. Don't use soap, just take water and wash your face, because as you are going out, you are getting in contact with environmental pollutions, you are getting in contact with free radicals, you are getting in contact with dust, with germs in the atmosphere. So once you step out of your house, okay, and come inside, take water, plain water, wash your face thoroughly. Okay, what most people don't know is that water is very strong. Do you get? Water that can destroy the whole earth. Water has power. So sometimes you don't even need soap to wash your face. All you just need is to use enough water. So use enough water to wash your face anytime you step into the sun, anytime you step into the atmosphere. Wash your face once you come out, and use your hanky, a neat one, and dab your face dry. Make sure you don't go hard. Remember, your face, depending on how severe your acne is, your face is filled with pimples and probably painful. Mine was very, very painful. Okay, so you dab your face clean. All right. And then number 8 on my list is for you to increase your water intake. This one is very hard for people who do not like to drink water, or for people who do not have time. They are working and everything. But how I did it was, I got a very, very fancy water bottle that I liked. Okay, so go to the market, take your time, be intentional about it, and buy a very big, not very, very big now, but buy a big, at least 1 liter. Buy 1 liter of a very fancy water bottle. It will help you to take water more. That was what I did, and I carried it everywhere because it was really fancy. I liked it, so when my water finishes, even as I go out, with my water finishes, I buy water, I refill inside it, and then I drink it on the go. So this will help to keep you hydrated. So if your acne is caused by dryness on your skin, if it's caused by dehydration, it is going to keep your body hydrated. Some people say that the advice of drinking water for your skin to glow, for your skin to pop, is overrated. But I'm going to tell you that it is not overrated. It is just that maybe people place a lot of things, a lot of expectations on it. What it does is to simply keep you hydrated, is to keep your skin from breaking out. That is what it does, to keep your skin smooth. All right, so learn to take water and take this tip. Get a very beautiful fancy water bottle. It will help you to take water more and more regularly. You can take it anywhere with you. Okay, now the ninth on my list is to detox your system. Some people eat from year to year in, year out. From when you were small to when you are 15, 20, 25, and now you are 28, you have not detoxed. You have not done any form of detox. All the things you are eating, all the debris, all the nyama things, they are all in your system. All those things can come out, and they are looking for ways to go out of your system, and the only way they can find to go out of your system is through your face. So most times the acne you are seeing on your face, those pimples, those pores, are just ways of your body cleansing the debts, internal debts in your system. You need to detox. Take foods that are going to detox your system. Check videos on YouTube that show you how to make detox drinks. Okay, if you can't buy, these things are easy. They are simple fruits you can mix together, ginger, cucumber, and all of that. Mix them together, make detox drinks, and drink and detox your system. Do this once in a while, at least once in a week. For you having acne, at least detox. After watching this video, go and detox. Go to YouTube, type it on YouTube, get a recipe and detox. Start taking it from today. Detox your system. When you excrete, you are going to be pulling out a lot of things, and you are going to see that instead of those things to be coming out from your face, they are just looking for escape route, looking for ways to escape from your body. And the most available way is your face to just pop out, and and we call it acne and all of that. Meanwhile, it might just be death in your system looking for ways to get out. So detox. Take fruits that are going to detoxify your body. Take fruits that are going to detoxify your system. And then the 10th on my list is for you to eat veggies. Veggies are a natural way for you to eat supplements. Okay, I told you that in this video I am not going to be telling you about any product, any brand or anything, because that your favorite skincare product, that your favorite skincare brand, they can be out of stock. But the company can even close. What are you going to do? So it is necessary that you get these things in check, things that are in your control. Everything I have mentioned to you today are things in your control that can never be out of stock forever for you. So eat veggies, eat greens. Okay, eat veggies. They are going to replenish your system. They are going to give you the vitamins, the minerals, that's copper, iron. These things help to strengthen your immune system. It helps to build up your skin to be firm, to be resistant to germs, to be resistant to environmental pollutions, and so it will help you not to break out. So eat veggies. Even if you're not a lover of eating veggies, maybe eating salads and all of that, try to look for ways to incorporate it into your favorite food. Try to look for ways to incorporate it into your favorite drinks. Okay, and these things are going to help you overall to clear up your acne. See, everything I've told you today is not something I read somewhere or something I saw from someone's experience. This is something that has brought me from this to this in 3 months. I am telling you the honest truth. If you follow every step I have told you in this video, you are going to see the same results, if not faster. Because most of these things, I realized them, I learned them as I was going. Okay, no one sat me down and gave me this whole lecture once, but I have come here to give you this whole lecture once. If you decide today to take the step and do these whole things from this moment, give yourself 1 to 3 months and your skin is going to pop. And I need you to come back to this video and give the testimony, so people are going to know that everything I've said in this video is confirmed and accurate. I know you're going to do that for me. Please like this video for me, so it is going to get out there to people who have these issues. A lot of people are wasting thousands of naira, hundreds of dollars buying skincare products, buying acne products that don't work for them. It's not like the products are not working, but it is not what their skin actually needs to heal. Do you get? So that's all I have for you in today's video. I really poured out my heart and my soul in this video, so please like this video for me, subscribe to the channel if you are not, and I'm going to see you in any of these videos popping out here for another interesting and educational videos like this. So yeah,